You're listening to Designer on the Line. Just one call to fall in love with your space again. I'm Louis, your host and design translator for the day.
And I'm Nicola, lead designer and warm space evangelist. Today's call comes from Arizona, and it's about a bathroom that feels more like a freezer.
Hi, Designer on the Line. I'm Emily from Arizona. My bathroom feels cold and lifeless. White tiles, boring lighting, just blah. I want a space that feels warm and inspiring, like a Mediterranean dream. Can you help?
Emily. When a bathroom makes you say blah, that's a red flag. Like Design 911.
It's clean, but it's empty. That kind of silence isn't peace. It's just cold. Louis, what are you seeing?
What we've got is a whiteout, floor-to-ceiling tile. Lighting that screams check-in kiosk.
But it's fixable. It just needs rhythm, grounding, and soul.
All right, Emily, here's your prescription. Step 1, we're replacing those sterile walls with a smooth, off-white stucco. It softens the light and warms the space immediately.
Step 2, the floor. Terracotta tile, warm, earthy, imperfect in all the right ways. It grounds the whole room.
Step 3, contrast. Deep navy cabinetry to anchor the right side. Matte black fixtures on white tile. It's bold without yelling.
And then comes rhythm. A patterned tile band that runs the whole room just beneath the eye line. Blue and white, almost nautical, but grounded.
Oh, and a round mirror with a black frame. Minimal styling, clean counter. You don't need much when the bones are this good. Let's run the line.
The cold is gone. The floor holds heat. The tile catches light. And Emily, that mirror? A full circle moment.
From blank and boxy to warm and architectural. It doesn't just look better, it feels like home.
And now, we add the WOWEDESIGN touch. The soul of the Mediterranean.
Terracotta that remembers the sun. Tiles that tell a story. A space that breathes and belongs to you.
Emily, your bathroom isn't just functional anymore. It's a rhythm, a ritual, a room you deserve.
And that, folks, is how Arizona gets its own little piece of southern Spain. Case closed. Got a room that's making you say, blah.
We're on the line.
Book your free discovery call at wowedesign.com. Just one call and everything shifts.